Hey, what's happening everybody? Pete's Devits back at you with another video. It's been a while, but today I'm coming at you with a very exciting and fun tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make popcorn. No, not the microwave popcorn. I'm talking about this bad boy right here. It's a classic popcorn machine, and we're going to be making popcorn in it. So if you're a popcorn fan and you just want to watch for the heck of it, by all means, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to learn how to make this, well, you're in luck. I'm going to teach you. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to want to do is, if you own one of this, you want to definitely turn on the spinner, so that way you get that going. We're going to close that, and we're going to get what we need now to make our popcorn. Alright guys, so I got my bag right here. This is what I got from my local store. I don't know if the packaging is the same, but if it's not, it usually should have these main three components that you need to make a popcorn through this classic popcorn machine. So first you got your butter, your seeds, and then your seasoning. The reason why I'm going in that order is because you're going to want to put each of these in order inside the bucket. So you want to do the butter, the seeds, and the seasoning. So I'm going to go open this right now, and I'm going to use these cups to help divide the different components that we need, so that way we know which one to put in first. Now I'm gonna put the butter in. In order to get this butter out, guys, you're gonna have to squeeze and make sure that you get all the butter out, so that way you can have as much butter on your popcorn as possible. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna speed up this part of the video so it won't take like an hour to do. Okay guys, so now we have the butter inside cup number 1, so I'm going to place this cup right here, first place. Now we're going to open up the seeds. Second thing that you put in the bucket. I'm doing this in order so that way you guys know what you need to put first, what you need to put second, and what you need to put third. So watch the seed, get a little bit of a close-up on that, camera guy. And we're going to just, oh, got a little bit of seeds coming out of there. Oh boy. Got some freaking bag difficulties going on right now. Apparently the seeds do not want to come out of their home right now. There we go. Alright, that should be all the seeds. And last but not least, guys, we're putting in the seasoning. The third thing that you put inside the bucket. As you can see, we got the butter, cup number 1, seeds, cup number 2, and the seasoning, cup number 3. I highly recommend you do the cup idea, guys, because it helps you divide it up and do it in the right way, in the right order. Alright, so the seasoning is inside. Now we dump it into the bucket. Alright guys, so now here's the exciting part. We're putting in our ingredients inside the bucket. Now before get down to business here, I want to make sure that from the very start of this tutorial that you have this thing spinning, because it will make the bucket warm for everything that you're going to put in. And also, please watch your hands. Don't touch any of this stuff, because otherwise you're going to get a nice burn. And I've been down that road with something different, pizza burn, but I don't want to get into that. But we're gonna be, yeah, let's just do this. So here's the butter. I'm using a plastic spoon to scoop out the butter because, well, it doesn't really come out that easily. So I recommend using a disposable spoon for this job. So we're gonna dump in the seasoning, whatever we can get in. There we go. Some of it just came out. Now we're just gonna scoop out the remaining so we can get as many butter as we can inside here. Almost there, almost there. Okay guys, so we got all the butter in. Now don't leave the butter in too long. Make sure that you put in the other stuff because the butter will melt. So let's get onto that right away. Alright, so here's our seeds, here's our seasoning. So cup number 2 is the seeds. There we go, all the seeds are in. Now you're going to want to put your seasoning. And make sure you do all of this really quickly after you put in the butter, because otherwise the butter will melt. And now we watch it pop. we go. Well guys, if you made it this far in the tutorial, you should have something like this. And yes, we did it. We made popcorn from the classic popcorn machine. I do this every week for me and my family, and it's really fun to do. It's much better than the lame old microwave popcorn. So for your birthday, for Christmas, whatever, make sure you ask somebody for this, because it's really fun to make. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. More videos are coming soon, especially for the summer. But more videos are coming soon. I hope you enjoyed this video, especially if you're a popcorn fan or you're looking at how to make this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing videos, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.